Bro, why is it like that? We never had this ice cream truck over here. Okay, wait.
There, done. We're done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Man, that was no, it's not.
At least you got some, right?
I'm still recording.
That's gonna be expensive.
Man, like, how much money did y'all have to spend to get that? Bro, I'm recording this until I leave. I zoomed in on the ice cream truck.
Watch this.
Bro, what the heck? That's the weirdest ice cream truck you can get. Okay. Subscribe. Go in the comments and see if you've ever seen this. Bro, what the heck?